All right, guys, what is an API? Let's see if we can do this in 1 minute. Okay, so an API in plain English, no code background needed. Right, so basically, think of a restaurant. You place an order, the kitchen cooks it, and the waiter carries it both ways. Okay, that messenger is the API. Now, what it stands for is application programming interface. Okay, the application is a piece of software like Gmail or Google Sheets. Programming is connected in code, not by hand, and the interface is a defined way for them to talk to each other. Now, it's really just software, software talking to software. You send a request, it travels across the internet, the service responds and does the work, and the data comes back ready to use. So how do we plug them in? Well, we get an API key. So we get an API key for external services like ClickUp or maybe Firecrawl, something like that. You point it at your endpoint. You can get Claude or NAN to make a call, and the data comes back. Do this in automations or using the internet. What do we use them for? So within Claude Code, we can use them to connect to Google Sheets. It makes many sheets for me, pulls data from the web. Gmail, send and read mails. You can do generative AI and scheduling APIs that work on chronological timers to post a social post on a timer. Okay, so we're going to next look at how they all come together.